I write this down, the sound of war is all around, and bullets sing in this biting wind as the snow begins to fall. It's the noise I can't endure, war's haunting song I must endure. I long for the quiet of your home, me, your youngest son. And oh, I can dream of home and know with my brothers we will stand as one. Side by side with all of my mother's sons. How fondly I remember when we left your side as 8 brave men. I wonder how my brothers fared in this most brutal war. The trumpet sounds the last post call, and judgment hour for one and all. Faces turn towards the foe, faces that won't grow old. And oh, that's when I think of home, and know that with my brothers we must stand as one. No more afraid and all alone, but side by side with all of my mother's sons. Fire lights this blackest night, my colors fade to black and white, and bombs explode like Christmas globes. It's then I think of home. Tell me news of sweet Ardtrea, where bells ring in the break of day. Does moonlight glow on untrodden snow, so close to Christmas Eve? And oh, I wish I was home, and know that with my brothers we have stood as one. No more afraid and all alone, but side by side with all of my mother's sons. Thank you very much.